Hey friends, if you wish to change the home, startup and new tab pages in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings from the menu. Go to the start, home and new tab pages, and then you can select a certain new tab. Okay, you can add a new page. Let's say it is google.com. So whenever you try to open a new tab, it will straight away try leading you to google.com. Okay, but yes, you need to restart it first. The next one is for a home button. Okay, so I can change it to a certain path, and let's say that the path is google.com. I prefer that. And even as for the new tab page, you can click on customize, and you can select the option for new tabs here. So this is what you can do. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.